Welcome to the Chilton Project, folks. Today, we're gonna cut in another trail down to the pond from coming from the other direction in the driveway. Let's get this thing greased up and ready to go cut some clear blaze of trail. Alright, so I can see the pond down through there. I think this is gonna be wide enough swing in here. I might end up taking this tree out. Maybe I need to step back a little bit more, I'm not sure. Let me walk around a second. All right. So yeah, it's mainly this underbrush stuff is all I want to try to get out. I don't really want to take out any of those big giant pines. This is a nice little section of woods for me. I think the back of the pond is right in here. About where I'm at is where I need to be. So let's start blazing the trail, shall we? What we got so far. We're almost down to the pond. Oh, there's my tripod. Kind of looks like brush over there. You know, I hate brush. So we're gonna go set you up down there on time lapse again, but that's where we're at. Alright, so I made it. It ain't quite wide enough yet, so, but I cleared, these are the bigger trees, and then there's some little ones over here. So I'm gonna take this dirt from this side and start pushing it this way to widen it up. A side-by-side fuller, no problem, can get down through here. I'm gonna take out this section of bank, and I'm gonna dump it behind me over there, I believe. And then I can use the tractor, and I'm gonna take, since this side of the pond, see, this side of the pond's higher than that side, so I'm gonna take the tractor, scoop up the dirt and take it over there and start dumping it and make this even through there. Then I'll worry about the spillway. And of course, GoPro in all its infinite wisdom with its audio mod has cut out yet again. So I'm just walking over it. That's the end of the video here. For my wife's looking at me and making fun of me while I'm talking. So I'm basically saying I'm going to take this dirt and push it over to the left side, but I still want access to the back of the pond, so I'm going to have to cut that first bank out. I got to get in there where I'm pointing and try to clear all that mud out. Yeah, I'm just going to sit here and point around. I'm not really sure what I said. I kind of forgot about it. Yeah. And this is the part where I say that's going to be a wrap, folks, and I appreciate y'all watching the Chelton Project, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.